What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we catch all different types of fish in all kinds of places. And today we've got rolling thunderstorms, kind of cruddy weather to be honest, but with that pressure dropping, it should result in a really good bite. We're gonna be heading out to a creek searching for probably a few different species, but there's one main target that should be loaded here, and hopefully we'll get on an excellent bite. So I don't want to waste any more time, guys. I'm gonna head on down to the spot and get fishing.
Okie dokie, here we go. This is looking magnificent. This is actually a medium-sized creek. It's kind of like a river. Man, look how beautiful this is. Oh, I see fish already, guys. I see a lot of fish already. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this ain't gonna take long. I'm gonna start up here and then work my way down. I mean, I see fish just stacked below the rapids. But in terms of gear today, little net, fly rod, spinning rod. Might break out some ultralight or something at some point, but for now, this is what we're rocking. And I see a lot of fish, so let's get started here. Oh my goodness. I don't want to get too close to them because they'll spook. Okay guys, I don't know if this is gonna take too long, but I'm just gonna bomb a cast out there and see what happens. Oh yeah, already first cast, and it's a nice one. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, guys, this is ridiculous. I gotta loosen up. This is very light leader. That is a tank. Dude, what the heck?
Yeah. First cast of the day. Just a solid smallmouth. Oh my goodness.
What the heck? That is so sick. There he goes. Oh, it's gonna be a good one, guys. It is gonna be a good one. Oh man, that is crazy. Oh yeah, there we go. Yep. Oh, he spit it out so quick. That was an instant bite. Okay, so that's actually another species that's stacked up right here. Might be able to catch some of them, we'll see. We've got quite a couple different species here. Yep. Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth, no! Okay, let's try that again. What is that fish right there? That is a big fish, whatever that thing is. Giant fish, what is that? I don't know what that is, but he's swimming. I'm gonna try and catch him. What is that thing? There's a couple giant fish I haven't seen before. I don't know what they are. You see that over there? Look at that thing. I didn't want anything to do with my lure. Alright, well, we'll keep those in mind for some tactics later, but this guy's still sitting here. Let's see if we can't get him. Got him! Yes! Yes! Oh, he thumped that. Oh my gosh! Oh, that's another nice one. I told you it was gonna be a good day. My goodness. Where's my net? Ah, just another absolute slab. Just popped off. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Well, there's gonna be plenty of these guys, so we're gonna get her right back. Thank you, girl. There she goes. Unreal. Watch this. I see another one, guys. I see another one. Look down the line. I don't know if you can see that one. It's not a giant. Back-to-back cast, baby. Unreal. Oh my gosh. Unfreaking real. Goodness me. We literally have been here for 10 minutes. This is ridiculous. There we go. Look at that. Oh, he's peeing. Alrighty then. Well, we'll send you off. There he goes. Yeah, I want to try and get one of these big old fish I see swimming around. Okay, they're all the way on the other side. But I think if I get a good drift, I might be able to get one to bite. There we go, one's looking at it. Got him. He came up and smoked it, baby. Oh my gosh, did he pop? Oh no, he's swimming at me. He's swimming at me. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I knew we'd get one to eat. Oh yeah, dude, let's go. This is just one of the smaller ones I've seen swimming around. There's some really big ones down there. Look at them all chasing him. Oh my gosh, there's one like triple his size. Oh my goodness, they just do not quit. Here we go. Look at the one literally, look, there's one literally right here next to him. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get this guy in the net. He's barely hooked in the corner. Got him. Look at that hook right in the corner.
Look at this. This is just a little one. There's some giants swimming around, and I know it's just a carp, but nevertheless, it is a fun species to catch amongst these smallmouth and other species we might run into. But I knew I had to check this one off for today. And if I see any other giants, I'm definitely gonna make a cast at them, but we'll get this guy back and search for some more big smallies.
There we go. What the heck do we have? Is that a smallie? Oh yeah, that's a smallie. I couldn't really see it. Nice, dude. Oh yeah, buddy. That is a football. My goodness. Dude, these are all just so healthy. Oh, he popped off. Sorry guys, I was gonna hold him up for you, but he's gone. Quick release. First I kind of thought we hooked a gar. Oh my gosh, off rip, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. This guy just hit it on the drop. Goodness me, smallies are fun. This is just a little guy. Might have to get topwater out later too. Look at that fish, my goodness. Chomp that. Here you go, buddy. Unbelievable action. Unbelievable. Okay, let's dial in on these smallies for a little bit. Try and find an absolute giant, and then we'll worry about catching gar and some of the other species later on. Got him. Oh, that's the big one. That's the big one. Oh, that's a tank. Crushed my spinner. That is for sure the biggest of the day so far. Whew. Oh, that is a nice smallie. I'd say probably 2-pounder, maybe more. Look at that. Oh, gosh, I love these fish. We're gonna get her going. Look at that. There she goes. Oh, darted off. Let's go, baby. See if we can't get another one. We've got all the time in the world until that storm comes through, which I don't know exactly when it's gonna be, but at some point today. There's also a possibility of catching a PB today, which will have to be over 4 pounds. Oh, that's a snag. I thought I was hooked up. Oh, guys, I forgot to say it, but this is your friendly reminder to like and subscribe. Helps me out a ton. And there is that hype button feature, which supposedly it helps, so if you guys have that pop up, you could always do that. Help out a little extra. But other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying. I've had quite a few people ask me to go after smallmouth, so I think this video is definitely up your alley if you're one of those people, because man, are we crushing them today. And for all my multi-species fanatics like myself, we will be getting into some other species again here soon. Got that carp, smallmouth. I'm gonna try and get one of these big gar at some point, but the smallmouth are just so fun. I can't stop fishing for them. Just spotted another one. That cast is nowhere near it. It might work. There's also a gar out there. Oh, the gar's looking at it. There we go. Oh yeah. Got her. Oh my gosh, that was so sick. Let's go, baby. Oh my goodness. Just another football. Hello. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Another football. This is the average size we're catching today, which is like 1.5, 2 pounds. Goodness me. Send you back, girl. Woo! They are so feisty when they take off. Is that one back there? Is that a gar? Oh, that's a gar over there. Oh, there's a couple smallies in the current right here. Oh yeah. Got him. Oh, that was sick. Oh my gosh, that's a nice one. Oh, I saw a little school of them sitting in that current. I knew one of them would come up and smoke it. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. Another nice one. So much fun. Where'd he go? There he is. Oh, dropped my other rod. This also looks really good over here. It's an overwhelming amount of good water coming up. I think we'll start fishing this down tree. Is that a fish right there? Nah. Oh my goodness, another down tree. They've got to be stacked here. We're gonna take some time fishing this area. Oh, I see a giant. Come on. Yep, yep. Got him. Oh, let's go, dude. This is unreal sight fishing. Unreal. Gotta put my other rod down. Get this big girl in. Oh my goodness, is that the biggest of the day? That might just be. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't know, they're all just so fat and giant. There we go, there's another nice one. Oh man, I can't get enough of these guys. Quick, healthy catch and release, baby. There she goes. Whew. There's like a bunch of fish. I thought they were smallies, but they might be something else just sitting in this current. Can't really tell what they are though. Look at this, guys. We got a zombie smallmouth. I don't even want to stress him out even more and catch him. But look at that. He's got all those like fungus growing on him and stuff. I don't know what causes that, but it's unfortunate. We'll leave him alone. That fish has been through enough. Ooh, one's chasing me down there. Come on. As fired up as they are today, they're also so smart. Like, I've had several follow me and not commit. There's a nice little school of them back here, though. Ooh, there's a gar swimming by, too. Come on, buddy. I know you're hungry. Got him. Yes. Yes, dude. Ooh. This fish was so aggressive. Oh, another one was chasing him. Look at that. This fish was so aggressive. He hit it like 3 times. Oh, yeah, buddy. Look at all the bait. He'll pop you right on off. Send you back. There she goes. Oh no. That's the smallie we had swimming by us. Oh. What the heck is wrong with that fish, guys? Poor guy. Look how diseased he is. Look at that. Oh man, that is one messed up fish. I don't know what causes that fungus growth. You guys can tell me. Could have just had. That is crazy. Huh. Oh, I'm gonna leave him alone. See if the gar will eat it. Oh my gosh, he's trying to eat it. Look at that. The gar's eating it. Come on. Might be able to get him on the lure, I don't know. Oh, there's a nice smallie out there. Got him. Yes, dude. Oh, no way. No way. Oh, he's all wrapped up now. There we go. Dude, that's a giant. I keep saying that, but they really do just keep getting bigger. Unreal. Unreal. There you go. Oh, dude, come on. What the heck? Some dude is riding up here in an ATV. Okay, I'm gonna go back up past where we started, but I'm sure I'll fish along the way a little bit, cover some spots we hit already. But yeah, in terms of going farther down, I was hoping to, but after seeing a 4x4 driving up the creek, I don't think those fish are gonna eat. They're probably spooked out of their minds. I think I spotted a nice gar. Oh yeah, I see him. Actually caught a little sunfish, so I'm able to use that now. Come on, little gar. Oh, he's looking at it all right. Once he grabs it, we gotta let him eat it for just a second. Okay, he's got it in his mouth. Just gotta let him eat it so he gets the hooks. Probably gonna miss him. Okay. He's got it. Got him. Yes. Yes, we got a gar, baby. Oh my gosh, let's go. Whew. Barely hooked.
Look at that slimy stick. Now this is either a spotted gar or a long nose gar. I really got to get better at identifying my gar. But either way, this is probably like a medium-sized one. I saw some really big ones we'll try and catch, but hey, species number 3 of the day. That is really cool. Look at that.
Send you right back, buddy. That's a living dinosaur right there. There he goes. Oh, we're getting chased. We are getting chased. Come on. Okay, there's some fired up fish up there. Oh, that was a rock. That's a fish. Oh my gosh, that thing came out of nowhere. Let's go. Come here, buddy. This water's nice and cold. Okay, it's got quite the fight in him. There we go. What is that? Is that a little parasite on him? I don't know what that is. Thank you, buddy. Whoa, bald eagle. Right above me. That's pretty sweet. Look at that. Oh. Nice. And there's another one up there. My goodness. Oh, bald eagle festival out here. Yep, there we go. That wasn't even the one I was looking at. Smallie on the fly, baby. Not a giant, but just a little guy. Nevertheless, super cool. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, fly just popped off. That is the smallest of the day for sure. Hopefully we can get a big one on the fly, but that is cool. There he goes. So the one I was looking at turns out to be a rock because it hasn't moved once. And that guy came out of nowhere and hit us. Well, there goes my rod. My goodness. I'll tell you what. How does that even happen? I think when I casted, my jig head hit my rod and just broke it. Oh no. That is unfortunate. Man. Well. We're going fly rod only mode. It's kind of a big streamer, but we'll see if it works. If not, we can always downsize. Oh no, we just missed one again. Y'all are gonna have to tell me in the comments, because I honestly don't know if I should strip set for smallies or trout set. I'm gonna try a trout set first, and then we'll try some strip sets. See what works, what doesn't. There he is. Yep. Oh my gosh, let's go, baby. Woo! Oh my goodness, look at all of them chasing him. There's like 10 chasing him. 1, 2, 3, 4 smallies chasing him as well. Look at that. That's ridiculous. That's cool though. Smallie on the fly. Nice. Not a giant, but a plump one. Get him back. See if we can't get one of his many buddies that were chasing him. It's funny how fired up, fired up they are, and then they get real finicky after they see one of their buddies get caught. What the? Look at this, guys. Little toad taking refuge under my backpack. Hey, buddy. Hop along. Alrighty, update. We've been walking for quite some time. Check out how beautiful this is though. But most of what we've been walking through has been shallow like this, and it's just not holding any fish. But I'm gonna see if there's a pool up here that might have some fish, or even along here. But so far, haven't seen many. Ooh, here we go. This is looking deeper right here. This could be holding some fish. Let's see if there aren't any up here. This stretch looks pretty good. Oh yeah, come on. We're being followed. Little guy. There you go, little guy. Alright, there we go. We've moved some fish. They're in here. Oh, oh, missed him. Oh my gosh. That one was aggressive. Come on. Alright, we got some fired up fish here, that's for sure. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't want him to spook the others. Oh, okay, he's off. That was a little guy. I want to try and get a nice one on the fly. Got him. Yes. Oh, that was sick. I saw him chase it out and munch it. Oh, yeah. Woo! Get him on a reel. There we go. That's a nicer one. Oh, yeah, buddy. That was sick. Come here. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, buddy. Let's go. There we go. There's our biggest on the fly rod so far. Took that nice little crawdad streamer. That is a fat and healthy fish. Oh, look at that. It popped out. We'll get her going. Thank you for biting. There she goes. So sick. Look at their camouflage. I mean, obviously you can see the fish, but it just shows how well they blend in, especially their surroundings. Alrighty, well, we got to get out of here before that thunderstorm rolls through, but man, what an awesome day. Handful of species and some incredible smallmouth bass action. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.